I've come a long way, just to let it slip away. Been through some tough times, but I overcame. Still on my way up, trying to figure out what's the meaning of all this. My head above the clouds. Venezuela, ungalahli ithemba. Sonke sidlule bunzimeni futhi njalondlela. Ngolunye usuku uzobheka emuva, ubone bekufaneleyo. Isikhathi sakho siyeza, yeah, yeah. Couldn't take it anymore. Every time I'm close to the door, they keep shutting right in my face. But I'm patient, I keep chasing my dreams. Yeah, yeah. I wonder what it means to have it all, and I keep thinking I should have it all. Yeah. Venezuela, ungalahli ithemba, ubone bekufaneleyo. Isikhathi sakho siyeza, uzophumelela. Uzophumelela.